I supervise Wynne Mechanical here in Huntsville, Texas, the Wynne Tire Shop in Huntsville, Texas, and also Southern Region Mechanical in Rocheron, Texas. What we do is we focus on repair of the fleet vehicles and the diesel and heavy equipment aspect, but we also provide a training service for the inmates. The inmates come to us usually from either a background experience or from a vocational school. Some just come straight to us, but we try to give them a skill set they can come out with. We have opportunities such as OJTs and apprenticeship programs that we are aligned with Windham and Lee College on to help them with that. On us, it's going to be the big trucks and the inmate transportation buses, which the inmate transportation buses are school buses. They come into us, they're completely empty. We have to install all the security, all the electrical in them, and put all that together. Usually what I try to tell them is out here, we are bound to the rules of the prison and the regulations that go with it. But with that said, we also focus on making sure that the inmates are treated as close to a free world company as we possibly can. So we are trying to get them geared towards having the mentality of where they should be going and not where they are, and trying to get them to learn and grasp as much as they possibly can to see their full potential and what they can become. A lot of the soft skills are what we really push. Things such as cleaning a bay whenever they're done, because in a regular company you will have to do that as a mechanic. Taking care of your tools, being able to talk with customers, being able to talk with your managers, talk with each other. So that's a lot of what we focus on. With the 2030 plan, that is geared towards changing the entire TDCJ environment. So I'm very much on board with that, and we are really focusing on teaching the soft skills and the needed job skills so that they can actually get out and stay out. I actually feel very good about it. I'm very happy for them. You know, it's good to see people that have made mistakes in their lives realize those mistakes and decide to change their lives to be better people. And it is a good feeling to see those changes.